Hi everyone! With Valentine's Day just around the corner, this week I decided to experiment with chocolate, pretzels, and sprinkles to create a quick, inexpensive gift for family and friends. This treat also that looks great on a white plate, all together to set out at a party. Here's what you'll need: pretzel sticks of your choice, chocolate chips any kind you prefer, and colorful sprinkles. For this decorating, I use a template covered with parchment paper. Place a pretzel stick onto parchment paper. Melt the chocolate and put into a piping bag. Drizzle the chocolate each pretzel in a heart shape.
She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
While the chocolate is still warm, add colorful sprinkles.
Running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
Let the chocolate set completely on the parchment paper. And that's it! Your quick and easy Valentine's treats are ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.